Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best concrete vibrator in the market. Let's get started with the video.
Number 5. BEAMNOVA. Metal build case is non-scrolling design, lightweight, rugged and durable, able to prevent cement from penetrating. The vibrating 1.5-inch head is capable of inserting into concrete via small holes or gaps. 14 3/4 feet vibrator shaft can reach as deeper and farther. It helps to remove air bubbles and excess water and level the concrete. Great for patching and construction job, pouring process of cement pillars, construction of highway fence and bridge, pouring process of cement grate rack, etc. Immerse the head of concrete vibrator into wet concrete to remove any trapped air and excess water to allow the concrete to settle within the formwork properly and solidly. Number 4. Makita. Dual directional switch to conveniently hold the tool in either horizontal or vertical positions. Built-in motor delivers 13,000 VPM to help increase strength of concrete. Weighs only 7.7 pounds with battery, with high vibration and ergonomic features for top performance. 4 feet shaft is 1 inch thick for more effective leveling and removal of air bubbles in concrete. Delivers more run time with maximum vibrations per minute, VPM, for strengthening concrete when running a corded tool is not an option. Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger.
Number 3. Bizoepro. With an impressive vibration frequency of 13,000 BPM and removes air bubbles, helps concrete settle faster and strong. This concrete vibrator is ideal for construction, patching and other repair jobs. The lightweight and compact design is ideal for consistent use and a handy lock-on button for extended use. Reliable material, high power, long lifespan, stable performance, 4.9 feet long shaft for easy use and long reach. Double insulation for the vibrator and high-strength gear and metal head assembly supply more stability and safety. Number 2. VEVOR. The concrete vibrating motor adopts precise bearing, rotor, pure copper coil, all of which makes this machine run smoothly, high-efficient, power-saving, and low noise. It also has a starting capacitor. This vibration motor is easy to wire up and get installed to machines. The wire cable is 2 length and maintained at the end to keep from breakage. It is designed with a fully enclosed structure and provides dust and IP65 waterproof function. The angle of the eccentricity block of this vibrating motor is adjustable, making it possible to adjust the excitation force. Thus, it can meet all kinds of requirements. Number 1. DEWALT. 1/1/8-inch diameter vibrator delivers maximum consolidation power. 4-foot long flexible shaft for easy use and long reach. 14,000 vibrations per minute for maximum consolidation efficiency. Offering the convenience of a flexible 4-foot shaft and the reliability and mobility of battery power, this pencil vibrator is an ideal option for small-scale jobs, ranging from minor street repair to setting streetlight footers to filling insulated concrete forms. It features a 4-foot long flexible shaft for easy use and long reach. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.